All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's commonly confused words. So pole, p-ol, and pol, p-ol. Pole and pol. So pole, a long piece of metal or wood that stretches from the ground upwards. So here we are, a pole. Pole. This pole needs to be cleaned. That pole is old and needs replacing. Yes, this pole is very, very strong and holds up the wall. Did you see how that pole was made? Can you install a pole here? Can you put a pole here? Yeah. How cool is that? We want some poles installed here. Yeah. Those poles are keeping up the balcony. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. Let's have a look. Pole. In a way, not quite, but it's keeping something up. A pole. But poll is recording people's thoughts or opinions on something. So asking different people same questions. Asking people some questions. Yeah. I polled them all. This poll will help us understand what people think. How cool is that? We talked to a lot of people for this poll. Yeah, okay, not quite. Okay. Yeah, so we have these questions, and this is a poll we want to ask people. We made a list of around 50 questions that we want to ask people. This poll is very important for us to know what they want and what is happening. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So I need to plan a poll to collect opinions and data, numbers. Yeah. So this poll is very important and will help us to learn more about the population, the world, the city. The city, yeah. These questions, this poll. So a poll and a poll. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, can you use poll and poll in a sentence? Can you write them in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. Yeah. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian. Yeah, Adrian. On YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. As well as on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.